morning guys, what's up you guys, it's Goldog's Phone. What you guys are up to? So today we are going to clean up the counter because it is really messy. So I'm going to clean up the counter and the stove. So that is cleaning day today. So I'm going to clean up that stuff, clean up some stuff around this area. So that's what I'm doing right now. I don't know what to do, so I'm just going to light up candles to smell out the place a little bit much better. So let's do that.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Look how clean my stove is. Look how clean my counter is. Except for these dishes, but that's okay. Look how clean the counter is. Ooh. So right now, you guys, we had my friend over, Kendra. So we had fun today. We hanged out, chillax, catch up a little bit. So we had Kendra over, which was awesome. I haven't seen her before. I haven't talked to her, but we just hang out. So that's what I'm doing. So right now, you guys, I'm making some crab dinner and Caesar salad. Yeah, gonna be good. So that's what I'm doing. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow at brand new video. Bye.